White bean dip. What you will need: white kidney beans, salt, pepper, herb de Provence, lemon, red onion, roasted garlic, olive oil, and whole wheat pitas. Full recipe will be posted below this video. Make some pita chips by cutting the pitas in half, brush with some olive oil. Then cut them into pieces and bake in the oven until they are crispy. Get a frying pan nice and hot. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add chopped red onions, cook until soft. Add in your roasted garlic, white kidney beans, salt, pepper, and herb de Provence. Cook until the white beans are heated. Add in your lemon and cook for 1 minute. Put this mixture into a food processor. Blitz while adding in another 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Keep blitzing the mixture until it is nice and smooth. Then enjoy. Thanks for watching.